This is the last of a 3-part video course that will walk you through the basics of a project in Assistance PSA. This tutorial will focus on the different types of analysis you can perform within your project. In Assistance PSA, go to the Project module and open a project. In the following screen, remain in the General section of your project, but scroll down in order to display the Financial section. Now, let's take a look at each of the fields here. Amount will display the total value of actual hours and expenses booked so far in your time and material project items. It will also include the total amounts of your fixed price project items. Estimated results will display the total of your internal budget for hours and expenses. Invoiced will display the total amount that has been invoiced so far. And next to it, you will see how much has been paid. Just below, To Be Invoiced will display the difference between the amount field and what has been invoiced as of today. In the section on the right, you will find the total cost, transfer, and selling amounts of your actual hours and expenses. Now, if you want to have the detail of this overview, go to Items. You will find here the same information broken down by project item. This table will also provide you with additional details such as the number of booked hours, the percentage of completion, and the markup on expenses. Now, click on the first line. PSA will open the Project Items screen. Here, in addition to the previous information, you will also find the actual time records booked towards the item. Click the Hours box. Now, take a look at the top bar. You can use the different features here to add or edit an entry, for example, or to perform analysis. Let's open the Chart pane. You will find here the same selection of graphs as in the Hours module. Now, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Hours. In the following screen, you will access the different views already available and will be able to create additional ones if necessary. Finally, as with the previous screen, you will also be able to drill down any of the entries here. Back to the project main screen, go to the Hours section and click on the link to load the records. This time PSA will display the detailed list of the hours booked to this project, but for all the project items. Looking at the top bar, you will find the same analysis features with graphs and reports as in the project item screen. The same principle will apply for your expenses, as well as for your invoices. All your information is now displayed on this one single screen, allowing you to perform quick and easy analysis on every aspect of your project. One final note with regards to analysis. If you wish to focus on one specific type of entry, hours for example, go to the left section of your screen and click on the link. PSA will then use the whole screen to display the information, and you will have access to the same features as seen before. This will also apply to your expenses, invoices, and invoice lines. This completes the 3-part video course on projects in Assistance PSA. Your next step is to do the exercises defined in the lab Projects.